Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make Shopify store for someone else. All you will need to do is go onto shopify.com, and from there you will sign up using your email address and you can create an account for completely free. Once you have created your account, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, you'll be able to add products. For example, you could go over to add apps, and from there you can select Shopify App Store and you'll be able to search through the different apps and you can add products. Now, to transfer the ownership of the website, all you will need to do, you can go over to the left hand menu option, tap on settings in the bottom left hand corner. After you have done that, you're going to select users and permissions. From here, you're going to tap on transfer ownership right here. After you have done that, you're going to input the person's email address that you created the Shopify store for. So you're going to input their email address right here. After you have inputted their email address, you can add their first and last name and you can enter your password to confirm. So you're going to enter in your password right here. Then you're going to tap on transfer store ownership. And that's it. Once they have received that, you will be removed from the store or change your permission, as you can see right there. And they'll be able to view or edit credit card and banking information. So you don't want to leave that information if it is a stranger or so on that you created the store for. They can also pause or close the store if they want. So they'll basically have full control of the store. So this is how you'll be able to make a Shopify store for someone else. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.